Struggling to find a 3D printer that's affordable, easy to use, and reliable for everyday printing? Many beginners face issues with complicated setups, slow printing, or poor quality results. This video solves that problem. Today, we're reviewing the best affordable 3D printer for beginners that delivers high-precision prints, fast performance, and effortless operation. Whether you want to create models, prototypes, or fun home projects, this printer makes 3D printing simple and stress-free. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with the FLASHFORGE. AD5X stands out as one of the best affordable 3D printers for beginners who want smooth everyday printing. It offers multicolor printing and an intelligent filament system, making the entire process more convenient. With one-click auto-leveling, users enjoy fast setup and consistent results. This printer delivers impressive precision, with a 0.1 mm accuracy level and supports slice thickness from 0.05 mm to 0.4 mm. Even better, it reaches print speeds up to 300 mm per second, ensuring quicker project completion. Its 220 x 220 x 220 mm build volume is perfect for home, school, or creative work. The AD5X supports PLA, PETG, TPU, and carbon fiber materials, giving users more flexibility. It also includes Wi-Fi connectivity, wide software compatibility, and a high-temperature 300 degrees Celsius nozzle for advanced prints. Overall, the FLASHFORGE AD5X offers speed, simplicity, and reliable performance, an ideal choice for beginners looking for a budget-friendly 3D printer with powerful features. Next up, the FYSETC Bambu Lab A1 3D printer is designed for homemakers who want precision and efficiency. It features full auto-calibration, making setup fast and beginner-friendly. The multicolor printing option allows more creative designs, especially in the combo version. With a one-clip quick swap nozzle and active flow rate compensation, users get smooth and consistent printing every time. Active motor noise cancelling ensures quieter operation, perfect for home or office use. The printer offers a generous 256 x 256 x 256 cubic millimeters build volume. Its upgraded heatbed cable with Kevlar reinforcement and optimized insulation enhances safety and durability. Supporting multiple nozzle sizes from 0.2 mm to 0.8 mm and a 300 degrees Celsius nozzle temperature, the FYSETC Bambu Lab A1 handles a variety of filaments. Wi-Fi connectivity and auto-leveling make it a versatile and reliable choice for any homemaker seeking quality, speed, and creativity in 3D printing. Let's continue with the Qiilu Z8PM 4 Pro 3D printer. Is perfect for beginners and homemakers looking for high-quality printing at an affordable price. It features a large 300 x 300 x 400 mm build volume, allowing users to create bigger and more complex models. Equipped with a 4-in-1-out extruder, it supports mixed-color printing, bringing vibrant and creative designs to life. The 0.4 mm standard nozzle and layer thickness of 0.07–0.35 mm deliver high-accuracy prints every time. The printer operates at speeds between 20–60 mm per second and offers ±0.01 mm positioning precision on X and Y axes. Its 4.3-inch TFT LCD screen makes navigation simple, while Wi-Fi and software compatibility with Windows, Mac, and Linux enhance convenience. Supporting materials like PLA and PETG, the Qiilu Z8PM 4 Pro combines versatility, precision, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for everyday 3D printing projects. Now, let's move on to the TWOTREES Blue 5 3D printer. Is ideal for beginners and homemakers looking for high-precision, affordable printing. It features a 235 x 235 x 235 mm build volume, making it suitable for jewelry, prototyping, mini dental models, and creative home projects. Equipped with a single nozzle and FDM molding technology, it supports ABS, PLA, TPU, and carbon fiber filaments. With a maximum print speed of 300 mm per second, users can achieve fast and smooth printing without sacrificing accuracy. The printer is easy to operate, featuring Marlin open-source firmware and compatibility with Cura, Simplify 3D, and Slick 3R. Wi-Fi support allows convenient wireless printing, while multi-language support ensures usability worldwide. Weighing just 11.5 kilograms, the TWOTREES Blue 5 is portable yet durable. Video technical support and pre-shipping inspection reports make it beginner-friendly, combining precision, reliability, and convenience for everyday 3D printing projects. Finally, we have the Anycubic S1C 3D printer is ideal for beginners and homemakers seeking high-speed, precise printing. It features a 250 x 250 x 250 mm build volume, allowing users to create larger models with ease. Equipped with FDM technology, the S1C supports ABS and PLA filaments, delivering smooth and durable prints. Its automatic leveling feature ensures accurate first layers every time, reducing setup time for beginners. The printer operates at speeds up to 600 mm per second while maintaining a low noise level of 44 decibels, making it suitable for home or office use. Its closed structure provides safety and better temperature control for consistent results. Compact yet powerful, the Anycubic S1C combines speed, accuracy, and ease of use. For anyone seeking an affordable, reliable, and beginner-friendly 3D printer, it is a perfect choice for everyday printing projects.